Atta boy. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That was a big bait, man. That could be a really big fish. Oh yeah, we're coming up on the leader. Oh, that's a lot of air. Look at all those bubbles. Holy smokes. Dude, that's a big fish, man. That is a monster, folks. Look at that thing. Woo!
That's a Cebu?
Yeah. Captain, orthodontist.
If you hold that, yeah. If you hold that knot, she can't get away from you. When garsts start getting bigger, easy girl, easy. You notice that their teeth kind of start growing out of their mouth. Those are all teeth lining the bottom, the outside of her jaw. They got some pretty big ones in there too. But yeah, they got some on the outside of their mouths. So if they hit you, even if they don't bite you, it's gonna hurt a little bit. Whoa, this is a great fish. Well, Champs, it's only about 9 in the morning, and Andrew caught an amazing fish already. As you can see, we got a lot of shade. We're gonna make the most of it. So that's what we're gonna do for right now. We're gonna take it easy. Maybe later we'll get back to chasing giants. Whoa!
Oh, beauty.
He's gonna try to pick her up. Dude, that fish is just spooling you. If that's a catfish, dude, it's gonna be a record.
Bad boy.
Oh, you just came free? Perfect timing. Well, y'all, that was an excellent day of fishing. Caught a lot of fish. We're tired. If you want to come out and catch fish, please send me a message, leave me a comment, go to the website, bayouchamps.com. Let me know that you want to come out to the river, and we'll make it happen. I'll set it up for you, and we'll have a good day out on the river. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next episode. Let's go fishing, champs.